Today we have our first LEGO League Championship here at the Penn State Behrend campus. This is our 9th annual event, and we have around 450 kids in grades 4 through 8 here for the first LEGO League Championship. The theme this year is Into Orbit, and the students have to not only design a robot and program it to do certain challenges where they're moving LEGO pieces around in the field, but they do a project where they do a research project on what the topic is about. They also are judged on their core values, in other words, how they worked as a team, if the gracious professionalism. They're also judged on their design. In other words, why did they pick the design that they did? Why did they program it that way? How did they approach the challenge? Those type of things. The championship award winner today will have an opportunity to go on to the World Championship in Detroit in April.